Hey everybody, it's Sean from Seattle Coffee Gear and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be doing a crew review on the DeLonghi Dedica Maestro Plus. Before we get started in this video, be sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that way you stay up to date on all the new espresso machines that are coming out. One of the things that I really like about this machine is just how small it is. A lot of home espresso machines can really be like counter hogs and taking up space in your kitchen. This one has a really low footprint, so that way it can fit in most places without getting in the way. This machine has some really cool features. One that I'm personally really excited about is adjustable brewing temperatures. So with thermoblock machines, oftentimes they are set to one temperature, and that sort of locks you into how you're going to be brewing on the machine. This one has a low, medium, and high, so you can change up your coffee and get some cool results. Another cool feature that I enjoy about this machine is that it has a thermometer built right into the steam wand. This allows it to stop right at its planned temperature so you know what you're going to be drinking your latte, exactly how you like it. When it comes to pros and cons on this machine, the big things that I like about it are how fast it turns on, its small footprint. For some of the cons, one of the big ones with these machines is that it has a 51mm portafilter. So if you like to get a lot of accessories and other parts for your machines, they won't necessarily fit on these. The good news about that, though, is that DeLonghi provides all of the accessories you need in order to be brewing espresso at home. The brewing experience on this machine I found to be pretty pleasant. Overall, it's got a pretty quick startup time from cold in the morning, so when you need your coffee fast, this is a great option. It also is a really supported user experience, so things like selecting the shot volume, selecting your temperatures and milk, it all really flows seamlessly together. This machine is best for a couple people. If we are just starting out on our espresso journey, this machine is an awesome one to learn on. You're going to learn all of the fundamentals of espresso flow, as well as get a good feel for how temperature can impact coffee. This one is also good for folks that need their coffee machine to start up faster. Our larger machines can take up to half an hour to come up to full temperature. This one's going to be at full temperature in a minute or two, so you'll be ready to brew pretty quick. When it comes to cleaning this machine, there are a couple of things that we want to be sure we're aware of. Of course, we want to wipe down our machine right away when we're using it, just to keep it in its best shape and best condition, particularly our steam wand. After we steam with the wand, it's actually going to do an auto purge, so it will empty out the inside, so that won't be something we have to worry about too much. Just be aware that it's going to happen. The other big cleaning cycle is descaling. We want to be sure that when the descale warning comes on this machine, that we run through that program so that way our machine can operate for a longer time. Alrighty, so that's everything on the Dedica Maestro Plus. This is an awesome small machine that has a great quick startup because of its thermoblock. I've really enjoyed getting to interact with it. Please let us know what you think about it in the comments below. If there's anything you think we missed, ask away. We love to help you answer your questions and find the machine that's right for you.